This video will take you through the diagnostics available on the Inspire systems. You'll find the diagnostics with a link on the homepage here, or if you are on the mobile, you will find it within the menu and diagnostics here. Just return back to the website for this video and go on to the diagnostics tab. This will provide a bit more information about your Inspire system. So this one is a wireless system which has a receiver and a thermostat, and the receiver itself connects to the internet via Wi-Fi, so we can see that it's currently connected. It has an excellent Wi-Fi signal, and we can see the software version here. Software versions are updated automatically, so you don't really need to worry too much about that. And then you can see the thermostat, which connects wirelessly to the receiver. It's not via Wi-Fi, that's internal radio. And you can see it says it is currently connected. It has an excellent signal strength. The batteries are low. It's 2 bars out of 5. You should still have a good 3 months left. We give you plenty of warning to change your batteries because we're aware that you're not necessarily close to the property. We have a serial number, which is you may need to give us this when you're contacting us about any units. It's the unique identifier for the unit. And then you have some networking information, some IP addresses. If you don't follow networking, you don't need to worry about these at all. It's purely for networking diagnostics if that ever comes up. I'll just jump now to a wired thermostat. So you can see here this is a wired system, so we don't have a receiver on this one, we just have the thermostat, and there's a smart sensor with this system as well. So the thermostat itself, because there's no receiver, the thermostat connects to the internet, so this connects via Wi-Fi, and again we can see it's currently connected, the signal is excellent, and again software versions which we don't need to worry about. We then have the sensor, which is connected. This connects via low power radio to the thermostat, and again excellent signal and very good batteries, and again software versions, serial numbers, and IP information. If we now go to a unit with an issue, so we'll go to this one, Penny Court. This is a light system, so just a thermostat and a receiver and a sensor. So we can see there is an issue with this one. There's a red exclamation mark here to highlight a problem. And on the diagnostics page, we can see more details. So we can see the receiver here is currently connected. So the receiver is connected to the internet with a good Wi-Fi signal. So it's not an internet problem. The issue is with the sensor here. It says here, this unit is currently disconnected from the receiver. And we can see 2 potential issues: signal strength, which is poor, and battery status, which is low. So which one is it? Is it the signal or is it the battery? Well, we don't know, but to be honest, it's both, because you don't want a poor signal and you don't want flat batteries. So batteries, they just need replacing. Just replace the batteries. You should never leave flat batteries in our devices, because when batteries are flat, they're more likely to leak. And if batteries leak, battery acid is corrosive and can cause permanent damage to the receivers, thermostats, etc. In fact, that is the case of all electrical devices. Never leave flat batteries in any electrical device, ever. Always change them or take the batteries out if they're not being used. So the signal strength, again, is poor signal. So from this situation, we would ideally want to improve the signal, which might be a case of moving the receiver closer to the sensor closer to the receiver, or using a signal booster. You can find a bit more information on the home page. If we go to the signal, we have a how do I improve this signal link here, and taking this will take you through a bit about good positioning and bad positioning, and there's a link to signal boosters if you need to purchase any of those. Let's go back to the diagnostics page, and I'll just show you this on a mobile. So all the information is the same. The only thing you don't have is the images, because they take up a lot of space. So space is more of a premium. All the information is still here. You can see that it's disconnected, signal is poor, and battery is poor.